Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important element of SVG, that is text. Okay, so in this session, we will discuss how we can draw different kind of text on SVG, what all attribute we are passing with those, and we will also discuss each and every possible condition that we can implement for showing the text on SVG in different way. Okay, but before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. For time being, we will just focus on the text thing, but prior to that you should know what is element, what is text element, what is not text element. Text is something that we are going to learn in this session only, but prior to that you should know what is SVG, how we draw the things on SVG, and many other things. Clear? Fine. So now I think we are good to start the session. So here you can see we have one heading and one title in the head section. So now I'm saving this and refreshing it. So after a refresh, you can see it is showing me this simple browser where one heading is populated on the screen, that HTML by Sharmit. Now after this, what I will do, I will simply add one SVG on it, and on that SVG we will draw the text. Okay, so let me go to this, and here I will put H2. Okay, in H2 I'll put the things like this: text element in SVG, text element in SVG. Now you can save it and refresh it, text element in SVG. Now after this, what we will do, here we will simply write the code for defining the SVG. So I'll write SVG, and in this SVG I'll set height, HEIGHT 500, width 1000. Then we will set the style would be border 5 pixel solid. Now you can save it and refresh it. Maybe something is wrong here. 5 pixel solid black. Okay, now you can save it and refresh it. Something is wrong here. Maybe we have missed something, or okay, let me clear it from here, rewrite the thing. Maybe something we missed. Style border 5px solid black. Now you can save it and refresh it. Yeah, perfect. So now it looks good, and you can see one SVG has been added. Now on this SVG we will draw different type of text. Now to draw the text, we have to pass these attributes. These are the all attributes that we can pass here. So let me show you each and everything. The first one is X, which is defining the X position of the start of the text, and default is 0. Then we have Y, the Y position of the start of the text, default is 0. Then we have DX, which is the horizontal shift position for text from previous text position. Then we have dy, the vertical shift position for text from previous text position. Later on, we have rotate, the rotation in degrees applied to each letter of the text. Then we have text length, the width that the text must fit in. And then last attribute is length adjust, which is how the text should be compressed or stretched to fit the width defined by the text length attribute. Clear? So these are the all attributes that we are supposed to pass here. After this, what we will do, we will draw the text here. So I'll show you different kind of way to draw the things. So let me start from the very first itself, where we will draw the normal simple text. So to draw a simple text, you just need to write the text element here. So we will write here text. Then we will simply try to put here X equal 5, y equal 15. Then we can put here fill. Okay, let me show you without fill. So just save it and refresh it. So what we did, and obviously we have to write some text here, otherwise what we can show. So we will write here text Sharmit, save it and refresh it. So now you can see this is the normal text. Now if you want to apply some fill to it, you can apply. Simply go to here, write fill and red. Let's save it, refresh it. So now you can see one simple text has been populated. So what we did here, we just discussed the simple text. Let me put it in heading way. Okay, heading simple text, and now I'll copy it just to save my time. Okay, so after simple text we will draw another text, which is I'll edit these things. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you like this is how I'm going to write. One by one we will discuss the things and mention it here. Okay, so simple text is done. Now we will discuss how we can create a text with fill and stroke. Let me show you. So here I'll write the code in different way. So X position would be 5 only. Then we will put here 30 for Y. Then we will set fill as none. Okay, and then here we will apply a stroke. And it would be red. Okay, and then you can put font size. Font size equals to 35. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. Something is wrong here. We need to change the position because we are trying to use it on 30, but the things has been changed. So let me make it 60. Save it, refresh it. So now you can see one new text has been added with a stroke red and fill none. Clear? So here we are not using the fill. So here I can put text without fill. Clear? So this is the next thing. After that we will define another way. We will draw the text in another way. Let me copy it from here, paste it here, and this time we will use it with text with fill. Okay, so let me make it as, instead of 60 we will make it 90. Fill would be blue. Save it, refresh it. So now you can see it is showing something like this. Clear? Perfect. So this is text with fill. So I'm showing you all these methods. Okay, text with fill. Perfect. Now let's say if there is a requirement where you want to show some rotated text. So for that I'll write here rotate, text with rotate. Okay, I'll just write text with rotate. So I'll write here, copy it here, and here we will write 120. It is up to you like how you want to define it. Okay, it doesn't matter like you have to fix everything. It is up to you. Then we can provide rotate here. In rotate we will pass 30. Save it, refresh it. So now you can see it is showing the rotated text. Clear? So this is the one thing. Then the last one is where we will do the rotation but through transform. So let me show you how we can do it. I'll just simply copy it from here, and here I will write a text with transform. Clear? So let's make it as small r. Okay, fine. Transform. So for this transform we just need to copy it again, but this time we will make some changes. Here instead of 120 let's make it as 150 for now. Let's keep it blue, red, and font size is also okay. Here instead of rotate we will apply transform. In transform we will put the text like this, rotate. Here inside transform we are applying rotate with 30, 20, 40. So these are the value which I am providing. Now save it and refresh it. So now you can see it is showing something like this. In this case, if you want to see the things properly, you can change the X position, so it will came into the picture. Perfect. All right. Okay, so yeah, these are the all method that we can apply using SVG text element. I hope this part is clear. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next section. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.